Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to copy some files. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a subroutine. Copy contents. Okay. But before we do that, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so we're going to go on and we're going to, let's have a look, type open file, and I'm going to call this file 1. Okay, and file 1, I've actually got file 1 here and it's called mark.txt, so that's in my Perl directory. So that's going to be mark.txt. So this is going to open the file to read. Now we're going to do another one, open. And we're going to call this file 2. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it x.txt. Okay, made a little mistake there. Whoops. Okay, so that's going to be called file 2. I made another mistake there as well. Okay, that's better. So this is going to be file 2. And we're going to open a new file to write to it. And then we're going to do while here. And this is going to be file 1. Take that down there a little bit further, make it look a bit more presentable. Okay, so this is going to accept the data from one file to another, and then we're going to print file 2, and then just do that, and then all we do now, once we've done that, we close file 1. Close file 1 and close, close file 2. Okay, and now we just simply call the subroutine, which is called copy contents. Right, we save that and just hope I haven't made any typos, and let's run it. Okay, slight error there. Aha, in my haste I forgot to do this. This means to read, and this here is to write in my haste. Okay, let's just save that again and run it. Okay, so we've got a clear output here, so let's go and check, should we? Let's see if we've got a file called x.txt, if we've copied it. So let's go into the Perl directory again. So we've got the original file here, it says hello in it, and we've got X file here which says hello in it. So we've copied that file to there. So there you go. Pop's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you like that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I know Perl isn't that popular these days, so not too many people are searching it. So, you know, if you'd really do that, that would help me out. And just say hello, drop me a comment, say hello or whatever, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.